Buongiorno paesani! How are you? Well, I'm back with another Sicilian word that I want to teach you. I know I haven't been posting videos as often as I should because I haven't been feeling well, but hopefully things will be going back to normal soon. If you notice, I'm talking a little weird because I'm numb. I went to the dentist. I have faccia adormeciuta. My face is numb. I don't feel anything. I'm talking a little bit weird, so bear with me. So today's word is croccula. What's a croccula? A croccula is this. It's a shell. And how do you say shell in Italian? Is conchiglia. So as you can see, my beautiful cousin brought me this beautiful souvenir from Cuba of shells, I croccoli di Cuba, le conchiglie di Cuba. So that's another word I want to teach you in Sicilian, croccoli, conchiglie in Italian, shells in English. Keep watching, keep subscribing to the YouTube channel, Italiani di Montreal e Amici. The numbers are rising. We are at 261 subscribers. Thank you very much for joining the followers, the subscribers. Your subscription means a lot to me. It means you enjoy my videos. It means that you support me. And my heart is filled with warmth and appreciation for your support. So keep watching e ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.